ETH news: Ethereum clings to $1,900. Amid bearish risks begins now on Crypto News Today. We'd greatly appreciate you liking this video and subscribing to Crypto News Today, as your support helps us tremendously in growing the channel and making our content more discoverable to others on YouTube. Welcome to a thorough examination of Ethereum's fragile recovery as of March 15, 2025, where the second largest cryptocurrency has clawed back to $1,940.57. Yet remains trapped below critical resistance levels amid mounting bearish pressures today. Ethereum is currently hovering at $1,940.57, up 0.98% in the last 24 hours, after spiking from a monthly low of $1,762, though still grappling with a deep bear market that has slashed its value significantly this year now. We're delving into the expert analysis behind Ethereum's tentative rebound, the persistent sell-off driven by Wall Street ETF outflows, the futures market's ominous signals, and the looming threat of a $1,000 crash that could ripple disastrously through the DeFi sector in the weeks ahead. This analysis unfolds as Ethereum struggles to regain footing in a crypto market rattled by President Trump's tariff policies, with investors eyeing dip-buying opportunities while bracing for potential further declines that could reshape the decentralized finance landscape entirely this month. Ethereum has nudged up from its monthly low of $1,762 on Saturday to $1,940.57 today, a modest 0.98% gain that offers a flicker of hope after a punishing 53% drop from its December peak of $4,000 this year alone. The ongoing sell-off stems partly from investor caution as Trump's tariff policies unsettle both crypto and stock markets, driving a retreat that has seen Ethereum ETFs bleed over $143 million in assets this week. A sharp rise from the $119 million lost the prior week now. So value data reveals a 3-week streak of outflows totaling over $406 million, shrinking cumulative net inflows to $2,560 million, a fraction of Bitcoin's $93 billion. With Grayscale's ETH holding $2,350 million, and BlackRock's ETH at $2,100 million today. The futures market paints a grim picture, with linear weekly futures slipping into backwardation, where futures prices fall below spot prices. For the first time since August, a rare signal of bearish sentiment last seen during the 2022 crypto winter, hinting at further downside risks ahead soon. On a brighter note, signs of dip buying emerge, with Trump's World Liberty Financial snapping up Ethereum worth $540,000, and crypto quant data showing whale balances rebounding from recent lows, suggesting some big players see value at these $1,940 levels currently. Despite this, Ethereum's total market cap of $180 billion remains 47% below its December high, with its $6,600 million ETF assets dwarfed by Bitcoin's dominance, underscoring a broader crisis of confidence gripping the altcoin market this year now. The daily chart reveals Ethereum stabilizing after its $1,762 low, yet it struggles below the key $2,115 resistance, August's lowest swing, and the $3,000 psychological barrier it failed to reclaim as support earlier this year today. A death cross has formed, with the 50-day moving average dipping below the 200-day moving average, a bearish omen last seen in 2022. While a bearish pennant pattern suggests a potential drop below $1,762, targeting $1,500 if momentum falters soon. Glassnode data shows buying around $1,880, boosting holdings from 1,600,000 ETH to 1,900,000 ETH, reinforcing $1,750 as a support. Yet failures to breach $2,200 keep $1,500 in play now. The relative strength index lingers below neutral, and the stochastic oscillator sits in oversold territory, signaling bearish dominance, though a stochastic crossover above its moving average could hint at a bullish shift if Ethereum holds above $1,940.57 this week ahead. Futures liquidations of $21,020,000 in the past 24 hours, with $15,160,000 in shorts and $5,860,000 in longs, reflect Ethereum's tug-of-war within a rectangular channel between $1,750 and $2,200 today. James Toledano, COO of Unity Wallet, warns that a drop to $1,000 could devastate DeFi, slashing total value locked from $90 billion across protocols and $46 billion on Ethereum. down 30% and 40% since December, triggering mass liquidations soon. Toledano notes that Ethereum's role as DeFi's backbone means a $1,000 crash could erode liquidity, dent investor trust, and stall innovation, a risk heightened by the Bybit hack where attackers swapped $1.5 billion in ETH for BTC via Thorchain, exposing DeFi vulnerabilities now. K33 research highlights DeFi's legal tightrope, with Thorchain's AsgardX earning $900,000 in fees from the hack, fueling debates over decentralized platforms' responsibility, as regulators eye sanctions and prosecutions that could chill the sector further this year today. Bitcoin's $93 billion ETF inflows dwarf Ethereum's $2.560 billion, with its $91,651 price up 0.05%, contrasting Ethereum's bearish slide and underscoring a market favoring BTC amid tariff-driven uncertainty currently now. Solana's $151.45 price, down from $180, mirrors Ethereum's volatility, with its 34.5% volume drop signaling fading momentum, a cautionary parallel as ETH fights to hold $1,940.57 today. Qubetics presale at $0.006 per token, with its DVPN innovation, offers a counterpoint, drawing interest as Ethereum's $46 billion DeFi TVL, down from $75 billion, faces risks that could ripple if $1,000 becomes reality soon. The White House Crypto Summit's Bitcoin-only reserve focus on March 7th sidelined altcoins, yet whale accumulation and World Liberty Financial's $540,000 ETH buy suggests some see a bottom, though backwardation warns of a tougher road ahead now. This $1,940.57 crawl masks Ethereum's fragility, with a $1,000 drop threatening DeFi's $90 billion TVL, as $1,750 support teeters and $2,200 resistance looms large today. Ethereum's bearish pennant and death cross signal a potential plunge to $1,500 if $1,762 fails, a scenario Toledano warns could have DeFi's $46 billion stake, shaking the sector's core in the coming weeks soon. Well, track this unfolding story on Crypto News today, as Ethereum battles at $1,940.57. So please share your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned for our next expert breakdown of this critical crypto moment very soon ahead.